Say you're in the market for a new home, and like most people, you need a loan. This means speaking with a lender to obtain financing. Do you know where to start? Do you even know what to ask? Well, you're in luck because we do, and we want to help you. We created a series on the lending side of the home buying process. We hope you enjoy this content. I'm Larry Mastrapiri, broker owner of Florida Homes Boca Raton Realty. This is the first episode of our lender series, and we have a very special guest with us today to give us insight into all things lending. Merve, why don't you take a moment and introduce yourself?
Hey, so my name is Merve Bayatli. I am a licensed mortgage advisor with Cross Country Mortgage. We are based out of Boca Raton, specifically the Matt Weaver team. We do service all of Florida as well as other states in the country. And yeah, we're here to talk about your financing needs.
Great, so let's talk about today the different types of lenders you may encounter when looking for financing. So we have about 6 different types of lenders. The first lender might be a local or regional bank, a credit union, a large national or international bank, mortgage broker, direct lender such as yourself, and more recently some internet-based lenders as well, right?
Yes.
So let's talk about the first type of lender, a local and regional bank. So a local and regional bank is what you would think it is. They operate locally. They're owned and operated by board members typically. They make decisions on where they want to invest, and you may consider using a local regional bank maybe if you have a relationship with them already, an existing relationship, right? Or
you might be a high net worth individual. Maybe you're looking for specialty products, commercial lending, for example. So those could be reasons to use them.
Exactly. I've encountered them when doing multifamily investing, et cetera, right?
Yeah.
This is when we might consider using those types of lenders. So the next topic the next lender might be a credit union.
Yeah.
Right? So a credit union is typically owned by its members, and they're not for profit, right? And you may consider them if you are a part of a credit union, which is unique, right?
Yeah, or usually, a lot of veterans I've seen are part of credit unions, teachers, really anyone whose job is union-based. A lot of times it makes sense for you to use your credit union because you have formed that relationship with them.
Exactly. They also sometimes do specialty lending, such as commercial in some cases as well. All right, so the third type of lender you may encounter is the large national or international bank, right? And they're basically what you think they are. They're the Citi and
Bank of America,
Chase.
So, these are national branches, obviously, right in the name. So the accessibility is key because they're going to be in every state.
They lend in every state.
Yeah, they lend in every state. They could be in other countries. So really, accessibility is a huge thing here.
And you may consider them if you maybe have a relationship.
Especially if you're high net worth. They definitely will do what they can to keep your money in their bank.
Exactly.
So that's another reason why to utilize their services.
That makes sense. So the fourth type we mentioned is a mortgage broker. A mortgage broker is typically licensed in maybe 1 or more states, right? And usually they're operating more locally. And so why would you use a mortgage broker? Consider a mortgage broker?
So mortgage brokers, they are an intermediary. So really, if maybe you're looking for a specialty product like a bank statement loan or if you're self-employed, a lot of self-employed individuals will use brokers because they can't get conventional financing. So brokers are just intermediaries between you and finding a lender that can support your needs. But once they connect you, they're pretty much out of the process. So they get their fee and then allow you to continue with the lender they connected you with.
Exactly, and many times that I've encountered mortgage brokers is in some of the unique investment fields, right? So that's why you might consider them too.
Yeah.
So the fifth type of lender you may encounter is a direct lender, like yourself, right?
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit more about that.
So direct lenders, they they're different from banks in that you are not, the relationship you form with them is literally for a loan.
That's all they do,
yeah,
right?
You're not depositing money with them. You're not, I mean, I guess you can form relationships with a direct lender, but it's different from a bank where your money's not sitting with a direct lender. You're looking for a loan, and then we, as a direct lender, fund that loan directly to consumers. Typically, we stick to, conventional financing, FHA, VA, jumbo. The non-conforming programs will differ from lender to lender, and a lot of times direct lenders will sell the loans into the secondary market.
Exactly, but the key definition here is the direct lender is lending their money.
Yeah, exactly.
And they're in control of the process.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Yeah, and then finally, there's the internet-based lenders, right?
Yeah.
So, so an internet-based lender might be like a Better.com, right?
Yeah.
Or something like that.
Yeah. So these types of lenders, they're purely online-based, and you as the consumer, you're filling out the application online, not a lot of human interaction, and essentially you put in your info, they issue you pre-approval based on what you're inputting, and then you start your shopping process, and then go back to them for the closing.
Great, cool. Merve, thanks for taking the time to help me break down the 6 lenders you may encounter when looking to finance a property. We hope you all found this informative, and stay tuned for the next episode of our lender series. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and hit the notification button for up-to-date content. I'm Larry Mastrapuri, broker owner of Florida Homes Boca Raton Realty, and I'm an expert here in the Southern Palm Beach County market. Feel free to reach out for any of your real estate needs. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk soon.